everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this Lucky Dip toy set that was sent to me from the Twiddlers, which is a store that sells arts and crafts, fun toys and party supplies. The Lucky Dip box is bright and colourful, and on the top there is an opening where you can reach in to grab a toy. There are 100 toys inside. These include Pullback Planes and Cars, colourful rings with different designs, Novelty Glasses, Bendy Pencils, mini snakes, mini dinosaurs, Stretchy Men, mini springs, party whistles, slap-on bracelets, packs of crayons, and spinning tops. There are lots of cute and fun toys to play with and plenty to share with your family and friends. Most of the toys are pocket sized, so you can take them anywhere to play with again and again. Overall, I really enjoyed unboxing this Lucky Dip toy set and discovering all the cool surprises inside. My favourite are the Bendy Pencils because they're so fun to fidget with. Let me know in the comments what was your favourite toy from the Lucky Dip box, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!